Hey guys, it's Misty Joe at Primeaux RV. Right behind me is our new 2870 RL. This is an ultralight passport. We are so excited because it came in like 2 days ago and it's awesome. What we haven't had in a while is a 2 opposing slide rear living that's still an ultralight. So we're pretty stoked, right? So come see. So we have our pass-through storage right here. It's gonna be on the magnet. It's a real thick door, so it's real heavy and durable. Motion lighted when you first get in there, and then we have power stabilizers that we've been putting on all our passports lately. On this one, we're gonna have our 2 awnings. We're gonna have one right here with our LED light, outdoor speakers, and then we have our second awning right here. Another LED light on that as well, just give it a nice pop at night. We have our solid step entering the coach and a large grab handle. Something else on this unit is, for a while we were receiving passports that were fully walkable roofs, but they didn't come with the ladder. This one has the ladder already installed, so you can get up on top of the roof and do your own maintenance. So, okay, let's go inside. Okay, so on the inside of our rear living, I'll start right here, but you can see right when you walk in, you've got a whole lot of room. You can kind of see it feels like it don't even feel like we're in a camper. It kind of feels like you're in a living room. So right here we have our dinette where 4 people can sit. You can have room for their arms. You can adjust the chairs. They come out real far. And then I really want to tell you this. So a lot of customers and campers, they don't like carpet. They've got pets coming with them. This is going to be real easy to clean. So it's like their way to have carpet but not have carpet. So it's like a mesh material. It's real nice. Right here is going to be our theater seats. We're right across from our television. We're real comfortable. It's got the little pull out that makes you recline. And then you've got 2 cup holders right here. It does move out the way if you don't want anything in between you and your partner. So we have a whole lot of windows running along our coach and then following back right here. So it's going to let in a lot of natural light. You can open several of the windows. You just do like that and you're going to let in a whole nice breeze. So that's really nice. We have some cabinets right at the top. We have 4 of them. So if someone chooses to use this sofa to sleep on, you can just throw all your blankets and all that up there. It's nice. Now this sofa, you can remove your cushions, and once you pull it out, it's going to extend about right here. So when we go camping, that's where my children sleep. So they're normally really comfortable. They're excited. We get a nice rear living area to camp in, but my kids go there. So right here, we've got our TV. Like I said, it's right across from your theater seats. It does have a little angle to it, so whoever's sitting on the sofa can also see it and be comfortable. We have a little bit of storage right below. We have a Bluetooth control right here, so you can listen to your Pandora, your YouTube, Spotify. All your music will come through the inside speakers or the outside speakers, whatever you like. And then we have our fireplace down below. So yeah, that's really nice. It's going to heat up a lot of square foot. Right here, we have a nice built-in pantry. And it does go really far back. So, I mean, you could literally just throw all your canned goods and all your snacks in there and really just fill it up to where you don't have to keep stopping and, oh, I forgot that thing at Walmart or the store. No, it goes all in here. You already have lots of room. A lot of storage. Actually, there's a large amount of storage. The island right here has 4 pull-out drawers right here that are pretty deep. And then you already have... you can probably put pots under there. I'm not sure if you can see it good, but the trash can also can fit. Trash can is hidden under the bed right now, but we're going to put that there. And then again, more storage. Right here, it's going to be the upgraded grating with the 3 burner, so you can cook on here. And then it's flush mount, so you have a little bit more counter space whenever you're cooking. A lot of counter space here. We have a nice deep sink. So, yep, real nice. And then we have an upgraded sprayer. The refrigerator is really big. Love this. Really nice. So a lot of people are used to the 6 cubic foot fridges. This is a little bit bigger, so you can just store a good bit more. So if you have friends and family coming, throw their snacks and their cold drinks in there. Right here, you can some extra counter space. I mean, you can put appliances here if you like. Toaster, coffee pot, whatever you need. And then you've got all this right here, and then of course this one too, and then right below that you've got a whole bunch of drawers that pull out. I mean, they really just gave a lot of storage in here. So you want to follow me to the restroom? How much room we have in the shower, and it's a good bit of room, so I can turn to either side, and I feel like, you know, I've got room. I can place things here. It's not the shower curtain, it's an upgraded slider. We have a little bit of counter space right here and a medicine cabinet here. But as far as size in the bathroom, I'd say this one has a good bit of room compared to some other camper restrooms. So we're running inside the bedroom. So in here, what I'm most excited to tell you about in here is it has a closet. So every now and then we'll see this, but it's not like all the time, and it's not in every camper. There's literally this much room that you can just hang, and it's long enough to where you can put dresses in there. If you're gonna camp like when it's warm, like women have sundresses, you can put all that in there. The longer Columbia shirts, you can put that in there. There's a shelf in there. You can put your shoes under there. You can put your duffel bag in there. It's just a nice closet. I mean, think about stuff you bring that maybe won't fit in here because it's longer, or it won't fit in here because it's shorter. Got a whole closet, you know. And we have storage under the bed where you'll find our trash can. I will put that up. But yeah, this is for all the extra storage. It's just nice. And we have a large 60 by 80 residential queen size bed. And the colors in here are the new colors. Just before I forget, I always remember the bedroom. So you can see the light color behind. If you've watched any other passport videos before, or maybe you come in and looked at them before, this is a new interior. It's a light round wooden look. You've got that nice backsplash to help lighten it up. It's really nice in here. Our second AC is up here also. Yeah, we're prepped for a TV also. So y'all, this again is the 2870 RL Passport Ultralight, right under 7,000 pounds. This is what we're showing you today for Feature Friday. So if you tuned in, thank you very much. My name is Misty with Primeaux RV. Y'all come and see us.